In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Dropbox storage usage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to see how much space you've used, what's taking up that space, and how to understand the categories Dropbox shows you so you can make smarter decisions about your files. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. This is the most reliable place to get a clear snapshot of your storage. Once the page loads, log into your account. Use your usual credentials and complete any verification prompts if asked. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your avatar, which is either your profile picture or your initials if you haven't added a photo. Click that avatar to open the account menu. From that menu, click on Manage Accounts. This takes you to the area where Dropbox summarizes your plan details and storage usage. Here you'll see your personal Dropbox space. This is the key section because it shows how much of your total quota is currently being used and how much remains. You'll also see a breakdown that helps you understand what's contributing to that usage. Let's walk through what each part means so the numbers make sense. Standard files refers to the files and folders you personally uploaded to your Dropbox. Think documents, photos, videos, and project folders that you created or dragged into your Dropbox. If your usage is higher than expected, large media files or old archives in this category are often the reason. Shared files covers content that other people have shared with you and that lives in your Dropbox. This is important. Shared folders you've joined usually count against your quota, even if you didn't upload the files yourself. If you notice a sudden jump in your storage, a newly joined shared folder with lots of data is a common cause. Understanding this helps you spot where space is being used without being surprised by content you didn't create. Backups represents data from Dropbox Backup, such as computer or external drive backups. These can be sizable because they include system folders, photos, and documents backed up for safekeeping. If your usage includes a big number here, it simply reflects the volume of data you've chosen to protect through backup. By viewing your personal Dropbox space and these three categories together, you'll have a clear picture of what's using your storage and why. That clarity helps you stay within your plan's limits and keep your account running smoothly. Thanks for watching.